It's your boy Harrison Stewart back down here at Frank Myers, the Worthy family. Would y'all like to tell people what kind of car you bought for me today?
Mitsubishi Lancer.
Okay.
Car, back and forth to school, back and forth to work, just like Miss Ariana needed.
Okay.
Miss Ariana, how was your experience down here at Frank Myers today?
My experience was well.
Okay, we hear you.
Pleased and happy.
How did Harrison do?
He did really good.
Okay. All right.
Y'all want a great experience, a wonderful experience, just like Miss Ariana got? Y'all come down and see me at Frank Myers Auto Maxx. My phone number is 336-354-4084. And on 3, we're going to welcome the Worthy family to our family.
Come on now.
1, 2, 3. If y'all want an excellent experience just like they got, come down to Frank Myers Auto Maxx and see me. My phone number is 336-354-4084. And we out.